Hello everyone, I'm teacher JoAnn and welcome to my channel. Let's travel and learn. Let's talk about sunflower. In this video, we will also have a quick tour of a sunflower farm located at Barangay Cupang, Arayat Pampanga. What are the cool facts about sunflower? Number 1. Each sunflower is actually thousands of teeny flowers. The blossom of a sunflower is called the head. The iconic yellow petals and fuzzy brown centers are actually individual flowers themselves. Number 2. Each sunflower can contain as many as 1,000 to 2,000 seeds. Sunflower seeds develop in the middle section of the flower called the ovary. Seeds are used to grow the flowers, but they are also used as food for birds and humans. You can harvest and roast them for a healthy snack. Number 3. Sunflowers are native to North America. Like potatoes, tomatoes, and corn, sunflowers were first grown in North America over 5,000 years ago. Number 4. There are about 70 species of sunflowers. Their scientific name is Helianthus, which comes from the Greek word for sun and flower. Sunflower can be different shapes and some can be tall while others are short. Number 5. Sunflowers track the sun. The French word for sunflower is tournesol, which means turns with the sun. At sunrise, the flower buds and young blossom will face east and follow the sun during the day. At sunset, the bloom will be facing the west. Number 6. The tallest sunflower on record was over 30 feet tall. In the summer of 2014, the tallest sunflower ever recorded was grown in Germany. It measured 30 feet and 1 inch. The shortest sunflowers are called dwarfs and usually grow in clusters. Number 7. Sunflowers are multi-purpose plant. Aside from sunflower seed are a healthy snack for us and food for birds, they can also produce a useful oil. Sunflowers have been found to be good at absorbing toxins too. Just like peanuts can be ground to make peanut butter, sunflower seeds can be ground to make sunflower butter. It has more minerals than peanut butter and significantly less saturated fat. And now let's have a quick tour on a sunflower farm located at Arayat, Pampanga.
Pupunta po kami sa Arayat. Pupuntahan namin yung sunflower.
The entrance fee is 10 pesos only, while kids are free. Tips sa mga pupunta doon: magdala ng payong para sa mga conscious sa kanilang skin dahil medyo mainit ang panahon. Magdala ng cold water para maiwasan ng dehydration. Iwasan din madikit sa dahon ng sunflower dahil medyo makati ito kapag nadikit sa inyong balat. And there you have it. For only 10 pesos, you will get on the pictures with your family and friends. Perfect for your Facebook and Instagram post. Thank you for watching my video about sunflower. If you have any questions or any suggestions, you may comment down below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel.